Hello, and welcome to the NVT Phybridge Jumbo Frames informational video. My name is Nico, and today we will be looking at what are jumbo frames and how to enable jumbo frames on our managed switches. For starters, what are jumbo frames? Jumbo frames are frames that carry more than 1500 bytes within a payload. This limit is set by the IEEE 802.1 standard. Jumbo frames can carry up to 9,000 bytes of a payload, but smaller and larger variants can fall under the same term jumbo frames. This can be done in order to optimize CPU time, as it will reduce interrupts when processing the same data, but fragmented into smaller payloads. With the use of jumbo frames, we're able to increase the payload size and optimize the CPU time. This form of frame packing is supported by many managed switches, which include our 1G and 10G managed switches. It should be noted that our 1G switches can support jumbo frames of up to 4,096 bytes, or 4K. On the 10G, we can support 10K without an adapter and 5K with an adapter. It should be noted that 10K jumbo frames are only available on the Flex 24 10G, as an adapter is mandatory for the Clear 24 10G. In order to enable jumbo frames on a 1G switch, we will need to put in the command pal-set-sys-jumbo frames, followed by the maximum number of bytes we would like. We can provide up to 4K bytes, so let's use the command pal-set-sys-jumbo frames 4K. This should allow us to send packets of 4,000 bytes or less. We will then use the pal-conf-save command in order to save our configurations. When configuring jumbo frames on the 10G managed switches, we can use the configure terminal command to enter global configuration mode. Then, we can use the interface gigabit Ethernet command, followed by the ports we would like to affect. Given that we are trying to use this over alt ports, the command will be interface gigabit Ethernet 1/1-24. From here, we can use the MTU command, followed by the amount of bytes we would like within our packets. In this case, we can adjust the maximum setting of 10,240 bytes. But since there is an adapter present on this connection, we will use the 5K maximum with the command MTU space 5063. Afterwards, we can use the end command to return to privileged exec mode and use the copy running-config startup-config command to save our settings upon startup. It should be noted that for us to send jumbo frames between different devices, that all devices that will forward traffic must have configurations that will allow them to forward and receive packets exceeding 1500 bytes. Thank you again for watching the NVT Phybridge Jumbo Frame tutorial video. All configurations can be found on our admin guides available at nvtphybridge.com. We hope this has been an informative look at jumbo frames and their uses within a network, and we hope you have a wonderful day.